Hello YouTube, Lee here. I wanted to do an update video on the video I did about this SD card. I think it's called How to Fix the SD card When You Can't Delete Pictures or Videos Off of It or something like that. I've gotten a lot of views on that one video, so I wanted to do an update. The other day, I had a working SD card, because I have one too that you can't delete. I thought it was bad. It was a bad card. Well, I stuck this card in, the one that does work, and I deleted pictures and videos off of it, and then I pulled it out, and just to try it out, I stuck in the video card, the SD card, that I knew didn't want to let me delete anything off of it, and it did. It let me delete everything off of it. I think because I used the working SD card that taught the computer somehow to delete this one, it also deleted the other one also. So let me know if that works for you guys. When you stick a working SD card in and delete pictures, grab your other one that doesn't let you and stick it in and try to delete. And for me it worked, it let me delete. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and have a nice day.